Welcome to Cook Square. Today's special mixed vegetable cheese noodles.
Add oil and salt to the boiling water, then add the noodles.
Boil the noodles for 5 minutes. Strain the noodles, put some chill water. After 10 minutes, add some oil so that noodles won't stick together. Take a pan, add 2 teaspoon oil. Add 1 teaspoon sliced ginger, fry it. Add 1 teaspoon sliced garlic, fry it till change golden color. Add sliced onion. Salt to taste. Add sliced tomato. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Quarter teaspoon chili powder. Quarter teaspoon garam masala powder. Quarter teaspoon coriander powder. Quarter cup of carrot and beetroot. Mix well and cook for 2 minutes. After that, add boiled noodles and mix well. into the bowl and add grated cheese.
Mixed vegetable cheese noodles ready.